Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ATOR protocol token. Ticker symbol is ATOR, ATOR. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the ATOR protocol token is being listed April 20th at 15 hours UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there in the description, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ATOR, and then simply just buy the token. And like I said, April 20th, 15 hours UTC time, it will be listed. Now, there is a total supply of, a max total supply of 100 million ATOR tokens. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now they have 2,380 holders. Price is around 20 cents per token and 18 decimal places on this token. So ATOR empowers the Onion router on Tor through an on-chain incentive and facilitates wider adoption of secure network relay protocols through our products. ATOR contributes the following to the existing Tor network: a framework for existing Tor relays to receive cryptocurrency recognition in the native currency ATOR in accordance with their cumulative useful uptime through a proof of uptime mechanism, the introduction of the ATOR router hotspot, a handheld device that enables users to connect their consumer devices via Wi-Fi and route all of their web traffic through a Tor script free. The rollout of the ATOR relay, our own version of the Tor relay, is designed for Tor routing and immediately interoperable with our ATOR proof of uptime framework, allowing non-technical users to mine ATOR and contribute to web anonymity through Tor. So the ATOR proposes a novel recognition mechanism for Tor relays facilitated by the blockchain and the ATOR currency to recognize contributors in Tor in an anonymized and equitable way. Our aim is to build up Tor through incentives for existing relays and an influx of new relays powered by our hardware to scale up and resilience needed for mainstream adoption. ATOR is currently in the earliest stages of development for two subsequent goals. Firstly, to build ATOR-specific hidden services exchanged for ATOR, and to fund the ATOR recognition rewards in perpetuity. Secondly, to develop further hardware using LoRa to allow users to route part of their entirety to their requests through a physically independent network. However, ATOR believes evolution is revolution. Our tech will add value to every stage and complement existing protocols to have the greatest positive impact. So it goes over the problem, and our existing censorship-resistant solutions truly private? Obviously not. And so here comes in the Onion router Tor setup. September 2002 goes much of the way in to the origin of the web traffic packets and requests. However, it suffers from an intrinsic flaw. Internet service providers can still identify when a user is running Tor, and the frequency and timing of requests made through it. So it's obviously not private, is what they're trying to say. So that is what they're trying to solve. Here's the privacy issue. So let's see here. It has token allocation on here. Let's go through that. So it says there is a long-term buy and sell tax. So if you were getting this off a decentralized exchange, you would have to pay a buy and sell tax of 4%. It'd set your slippage and all that, but you won't have to do that on MEXC Global. It says 10% of the tokens go to central exchanges, which are locked, 45% liquidity, 25% in contract, and 20% of the tokens get vested for team and node rewards. So that's basically the tokenomics there. Now, has all the addresses on here too, the ERC20 address, wallets, all that you can find on their white paper. By the way, you can find their white paper at docs.ator.io. And they also have a technical white paper listed on there if you want to get even more technical with all this. Now, their roadmap is on here. So phase 1, POC architecture and ERC20 launch. So launch of the token, a mechanism to raise initial funding for the listed developments allows investors to secure the medium eventually used to acquire ATOR hardware, and through our linearly vested supply provide incentives for the initial Tor nodes. And then we got the router microcontroller POC built using existing microprocessor hardware. Release of the instructional open source code. Then phase 2 is going to be dashboard to onboard Tor nodes. So yeah, you could read about more technical info on all these things that I'm saying on their technical white paper if you want to. Then Q3 2023 here in phase 2, they're going to, through proof of uptime wherein registered nodes are sent specific Tor packets to estimate, quantify uptime, the weekly vested token emissions are redistributed to registered nodes. And phase 3, that is still in Q3 2023. First release of our own router hardware, and then the own relay hardware comes out in 2024, and then transition to longer-term token incentives. And then lastly, last phase 4, is prototypes for last mile LoRa routers and a completely independent internet. So that's what they're trying to do, is complete privacy, completely independent. That's, basically what Tor set out to do. And it wasn't perfect, so that's ATOR is trying to make it more anonymous at scale. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the ATOR protocol token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.